In this video, I'm going to be testing out the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro and its incredible return to home capabilities. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is equipped with full 360 obstacle avoidance sensors, plus now the addition of the LiDAR sensors, essentially meaning that it can detect obstacles in the dark, and providing that the lighting is good enough, this thing can build a map of its journey, and if you hit the return to home, it should be able to follow itself back to the home point, even in incredibly complex situations. So that's what I'm going to do in this video, put this to the test just to see how good it is. And for some time now, I've been advertising Drone Companion on my channel as basically being one of the best weather apps out there. Now, if we just open up Drone Companion, it does tell us that it is not good to fly due to light rain, and I can confirm it is indeed ever so slightly raining, but I want to get this video done. We also have a little bit of wind to contend with as well, but ultimately it's just going to add to the challenge of this DJI Mini 5 Pro's return to home test. Now, this is the overpass with which I'm planning to launch under in order to bring you this return to home test, and as you can see, it is pretty enclosed, so certainly not an easy task at all, except that's not where I'm going to be actually flying from. Where I'm going to be flying from is here, where, as you can see, literally I'm a complete short and I can barely sort of walk underneath this, so it's going to be quite the challenge for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Now, what I'm going to do, just to give us some accuracy, I'm going to get my foot and just draw a little line across here, okay, just to give us a little reference. So X marks the spot. Okay, so that is where we're going to be taking off from. So we're going to see how close we can get back to this point. Now, it's worth noting that because we cannot actually ascend upwards, precision return to home will not be active. So we're going to have to rely on that LiDAR mapping when it first takes off. So let's get the DJI Mini 5 Pro in the air then, and let's just see how good it actually is. Now, the big thing here is because we are underneath this sort of low underpass, we're not going to get any satellites initially to take off with. But what I'm going to do is just to give us some footage, let's go ahead and press record. Okay, we're going to go to safety, and we're just going to make sure that our advanced settings are set to return to home. And what we're going to do is make sure they are set to optimal. If it was in preset, the drone would just return up to its predetermined height that we've set 80 meters. So what I'm going to do is just take off manually because we've got such a low ceiling. Okay, so let's go ahead and take off. And what we're going to do, this is incredibly low, and we're getting obstacle avoidance detection at the top. Let's go ahead and head out. Let's just see if it can get back in here. Okay, so now we're free of the shackles of there. We're going to take a flight out. Oh, those birds look incredibly interested over this area. So it goes without saying, we still do not have satellites. Okay, no satellites whatsoever. Incredibly interesting. So what we've done is we've got to 215 meters out, and what we're going to do is just spin that around. There we go, now we're picking up some satellites. There we go, look. There we go, we've got some satellites now. So what we're going to do is go ahead and just press that return to home and just see what happens.
Return to home.
There we go. So let's see if it can do it. There we go, the drone is coming back in. Let's just get back into position. I mean, if it can actually do this, that's incredible.
Complex environment ahead.
Now, this is going to give us a warning that we've got a complex environment ahead, continuously monitor environment during return to home. Now, we can cancel or return to home. If we cancel, it's just going to leave it there. We're going to be able to land, but we're not interested in that. We're interested in using the return to home. So let's go ahead and just bring that in. There we go, look. That is absolutely incredible. I cannot believe this drone is actually doing that.
Landing.
Just pick up this camera and see how close it gets. I mean, look at that. Absolutely fantastic. Pretty much exactly on the cross as well. What an absolutely incredible piece of kit this DJI Mini 5 Pro is. So there we go, what do we make of that? I think the DJI Mini 5 Pro is absolutely phenomenal, and what it just achieved is absolutely beyond what any drone before it could do. Of course, except for the DJI R3S, which has that same capabilities with these LiDAR front sensors right here. But ultimately, what an absolutely incredible machine, and it just means that if you do find yourself in a return to home situation, that it can actually put itself back to the original spot it took off from, even with no satellites. I think that was absolutely incredible. Okay, now one thing to mention is I have tried this in my testing. Do not attempt to do this at night. Whilst the LiDAR sensors can detect obstacles at night and of course stop the drone,
Landing.
it cannot use its return to home function at night unless it has accurate visioning capabilities and adequate lighting. So just to make you aware. So if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. It tells YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch my content. Subscribe if you're awesome, and until next time, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.